All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we're going to talk about Ford and Chevy. So first we're going to talk about the Ford Lightning and all the information that they dropped yesterday as far as pricing. Let's get to that right now. Welcome to Cruise Control. All right, so for the Ford Lightning, I built which EV I would actually spend money on, which one I would actually buy, and that is the work truck. I want to spend as little bit of money as possible on an EV truck because that's where I think you get your best value. So I bought the I built the $39,000 truck. I did add some options like towing and a spray and bed liner. That's it. And that's $44,199. I didn't do any paid color options. I did all the free ones. So that's where my truck would be. However, that cannot come with the more range. And if you want more range, this is the smaller range, right? The 230 miles of estimated range. If you would like the 70 more miles of range, it's not a $2,000, a $10,000, a $15,000 option. No. To get that, my truck with the same options that I have right now, that I just told you what the price was, right? So that was $44,199. The same truck with the more range makes you go to the XLT, and then they make you add a package that's almost $20,000. And so all in, I'm at $75,629 for the same kind of thing, right? Now, of course, I can't get the work truck. I had to go up to the XLT, so I got content that I didn't necessarily need or want. But if I wanted that extra range, I had to go up the XLT, and then I had to add a almost $20,000 package on top. So I had to spend $75,629 to get the towing thing that I want on there and the spray and bed liner. That is not a good deal, Ford. And I think the reason why you did that is two reasons. One, price gouging. You make a lot of money by upcharging something like this. It's more profit. Two, I don't think you have the capacity to build this in the work truck right now. Now, let's move to Chevy, because Chevy did just launch their EV Silverado. If you'd like to see that video that I just did right now, I'll go ahead and put the link in that above. But the EV Silverado, in their thing, they were like, hey, in the work truck, we can get you up to 400 miles of range. That was a not so subtle dig at Ford. I believe Ford will respond probably this year that they're going to make that a capability. I do believe they're going to rectify this and they're going to make that a capability. They don't want to lose out on something like that. So I don't know what the price is going to be for the 400 miles of range in the work truck with the EV Silverado. I do know that the base price is still going to be $39,900. So very competitive as far as the pricing is concerned. I don't know the base mileage. They're estimating between 250 to 300 miles of range. So very similar to what the base range of the Ford Lightning is as well, but at least you can get the bigger range in the work truck. So that's going to be good. They just didn't tell us how much extra that's going to be. I assume at least a $10,000 upcharge. So I'll go on record saying at least $49,000 for that. What do you guys think? Are you guys Team Ford, Team Chevy? Are you going to get the Ford Lightning? Are you going to have a reservation for both and wait to see what Chevy's going to do? Leave your comments down below. Let me know which one you guys are getting. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Please do like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a good one.